Stephen Roseman for week 2 of MDF3. For this week's project, we were to um, advance our media player, making a few changes. The changes that I was requested to make was add a loop to a single song, also add a seek bar for cosmetic changes, um, be able to work both landscape and portrait using a fragment, and also show a large image in notification, expanded notification for the pieces where I struggled mightily, even though I tried quite hard. The seek bar, I was unable to make that work. I used a runnable where I try to get the current position within using the intent, excuse me, using the integer time elapsed and trying to set the progress. This is where I get the error here. I try to call it in my play button um, and using a handler. And I tried to move around and call it a few different places. It never quite worked. Um, Also, for um, the notification, and it it works, but it will cause an error to make it start over again, unbinding my service. I was unable to uh, create good logic for making the service bind or unbind and bind back correctly. My logic didn't seem to work to make it do so. Lastly, um, trying to put the title in, I used service intent. Um, However, it never hit my background service background service. So I was unable to be able to pass that data back so that it could show in the text view this song name. For the pieces to show the project, what took place, was able to use a fragment, um, the loop, so to give us a quick demonstration of what worked. So once the service is created and bounded, plays the song, can pause it, can play. If we put the loop on, then we can rewind back to the beginning of the entire song or fast forward through the song. And so once we cut the loop off, it'll go to the next song. And this is a pretty long song, so I'm gonna just skip all the way through it. And once it comes to the end of the song, it should automatically go to on completion, and this should finish it, and it should no other song should play after this point. Let's check to see my debugger, and okay, we hit completion. Oh, we lost the emulator. And just to show uh, that we have a different background, and once again I can play it, but it's still not working correctly as it should. That covers all for today. Thank you very much.